Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record a specific part of the screen on Android mobile phone or iOS. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and if we want to record a specific part of our screen, we need an application called X Recorder. So first of all, you can go to your Play Store if you are Android user, or you can go to the Apple Store if you are iOS user. And here I'm Android user, so I'm gonna go to my Play Store, and then here you just need to search for X Recorder application. Go to the search menu or search bar, and then you're going to type in X Recorder. Oops. Just type in X Recorder app, and then this application will appear on your screen, and you need to install this application to record a specific part of your screen. And here, as you can see, I have installed this application, so I just need to open up this application. Okay, and after we have opened this application, we can use this application to record our screen, but only a specific part. You can activate the floating ball first. Okay, and this floating ball will appear on your screen, and then you can start the recording by clicking on this floating ball like this. And then before you start the recording, you need to select the setting. Okay, and then it's like the region recording. Okay, and then you can choose the area you want to record with your screen recorder app. And for me, I'm just going to select this area, and then we can click the check mark, and we can click on start now to start the recording. Okay, and now my screen is being recorded with X Recorder. And if you want to stop the recording, you can click on the stop icon, this one, or you can click on this pause button to pause the recording. And if you want to continue, just click on oops. If you want to continue, you can click on the button. And I'm just going to, for example, use the brush. Okay, we can use the brush of this screen recorder, guys, like this. And if you want to stop, just click on this icon, or you can activate the shake to stop feature. Okay, and I'm going to show you the result being recorded with X Recorder. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record a specific part of our screen using screen recorder on mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.